Gulf Coast community is a resilient one. It has endured natural disasters before, has rebuilt, has recovered from it. When you have something like that, you know with confidence that you can make it through this.
We are a team that has been a part of the city, and the city has been a part of the team. I do know that adverse situations are tough to get through, but as a community, we can always bond together and get stronger.
I just think it's going to be all of us just working in community, trusting that we're going to make it through this together.
We want to talk about resilience. New Orleans is the pinnacle of that.